We're gonna win. Are you ready for this? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go! It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Oh!
That hit you?
Nope. Went right by my head.
Yes, he's out. He's out. Like some bullets. He's out. Get him. Get out. What? Did you see that? I'm out of bullets. You can't shoot me. There we go, Ryder. That actually hurted. Ow! Go, Ryder. Get out!
You want me to stop it?
No, not yet. Get in. We need to get bullets. I got him. Okay, get him down. You know, we hit him. We almost hit him once.
Y'all better get back to work. You're on the camera.
It's okay. I am. Oh, come on. Hey, guys. Hey. I hit him. Get out of the ground. Hey, don't shoot me. His face was downside. Shot him right in the butt. Without his jeans on. Not the jeans were.
Ow! Don't do that. Yeah, don't do that no more. Really.
And I was not bullets. And now bullets. Out of bullets time. Yep. Don't stop it. Don't stop it, Daddy.